Hello everyone. I'll start. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is M. Solehan. You can call me Liang. I am a student of Sriwijaya State Polytechnic. I am in the first class of 1SA. Okay, there I will explain briefly about number one present simple present tense. Number two simple past tense. Number three continuous. Number four passive voice. First, Firstly, I will teach you about present tenses. Present tenses at least the test you will we want to talk. You make tense about even as happening. I will now. I'll talk about habits. A general fact. Originally a letter above a library. I wish. I wish there are two present tense, verbal and nominal. What is tenses? Example, tenses is the form of verb chain that shows the event at the time of the event of the time. Purpose, we will know about the as of tenses based on the time of the event. Ada number ada empat jenis tenses. Number one present tense, number two past tense, number three present continuous, number four passive voice. Next. Next, ke present tense. Present tense is the tenses we ask when we want to talk or make tenses about event that are still happening until now or talk about habits in general, fact, and usually there are adverbs like every, always, usually. And there are two types of present tense, verbal and nominal. When is present tense used? Ask the present tense to talk about something that is happening now or something that is true now and all times. Simple present to express habits and general truths. Thoughts present continues to talk about events that are happening now. Oke, next ke formula of verbal. Di sini saya sudah menyiapkan formula of sentence. Ada tiga macam. Pertama, formula of example, positif, subject and verb one, and subject as an object. Sentence of example, I always get up at 30 in the morning. Number two, formula of example, negative, subject and do, and dois and not, and verb one and object. Number three, formula example, verbal, do, dois, and subject and verb one and object. Sentence of formula today's talk each week. Verbal is used if we want to explain about the sentence that have verb. In traditional grammar, verbal is word derive from a verb that vacation in a sentence is a noun or adjective rather than as a verb. Verbals include infinitives, growth, and also as in front and vertical participles a group of words based on the verbal is called and verbal phrase. Next example, ini di sini ada formula of nominal. Example and formula positif, formula formula positif, subject and be and adjective and adverb and object. Sentence of example: Liang is smart student in her class. Negative in formula of example: negative subject and be and not an adjective and adverb and object. Sentence of example: we are not present today. Formula of example: verbal be and subjective and adverb and object. Sentence of example: is he sick today? Okay, next past tenses. Past tenses is the tenses we ask we when to talk or make sentences about past event or that even stop in the past and not continue until now. And adverb of past tenses are last attached. There are two types of present tense, verbal and nominal. When to ask past tenses, simple past tenses is used to talk about an event that happened in the past and ended in the past at a specific time. Tenses in simple past tenses are marked by the second part 2, which indicates past time. Baik di sini, oke. Next ke formula of verbal, formula of example plus yang plus subject and verb to and object. Sentence of example: I played guitar there days ago. Number two, formula of example: negative subject and did and not and one and object. Sentence example: she did not cook French rice yesterday. Number three, formula example: verbal: did and subject and verb one and object and verbal. Sentence example: did he eat noodles yesterday? Next ke selanjutnya. Di sini ada penjelasan. Verbal is used if we want to explain about the sentences that have verb. What is the vacation of verb in English? A verb is verb that shows an action, event, or state. Seperti as tenses may have a main verb, auxiliary verb, or both. In other words, a verb is a word that informs about an action, the existence of something or an event. Formula of nominal. Formula example plus subject and be and adjective and adverb and object. Sentence example: she was born at Metro in 2006. Formula number two, Formula example subject plus negative subject and be and not and adjective and adverb and object. Sentence example I was not born in metro. Number three, formula of example be and subject and adjective and adverb and object. Sentence example were they smart when they in SHS. Verbal is used if we want to explain about the tenses that have adjective and adverb. Next ke present continuous. Present continuous is the tenses we use when we want to talk or make sentences about events still happening and adverb of continuous or now. Alright, now at the moments and attack, present continuous just has one type of verbal. What is the present continuous tenses or used for? In short, present continuous tenses is tenses used to express an activity or activity that is ongoing and has not been complete when spoken about. In Indonesian, the tenses is the same as the tenses in progress or in process. Next, next to formula of continuance, number one formula of example plus subject and to be and thing and object. Sentence of example I am playing handphone now. Formula of example number two negative subject and be and not in and thing and object. Sentence example she is not cooking rice right now. Formula of example number three verbal be and subject and thing and object and verbal. Sentence example is he eating noodles now? Sorry, is he eating noodle now? Next ke passive voice. Di sini kita harus tahu apa itu passive voice dan rumus-rumusnya. Passive voice is tenses feature where the subject receive an action from the object or the subject is the victim. And characteristic of passive voice or use poetry use to be and uses tenses be. Example formula of continuous. Number one formula of example positive subject and to be and poetry and by an object. Sentence of example swimming is played by Liang. Nah, formula of example number two negative subject and be and not and verb 3 and by an object. Sentence of example number 2 motorical is not ridden by the arm. Formula of example number 3 verbal be and subject and verb 3 and object and verbal. Sentence of example is the letter we reading of the ang. Next, previously I have prepared an quiz time for you. Your task is to discuss it with your friends what the answer is and what is the purpose of the quiz. That's a knock. That's a knock. If you have discussion at now, I will explain. Why are the students staying outside their classroom? A. Being cleaned. B. Is being cleaned. C. Was cleaned. D. Sorry. C. Was cleaned. D. Cleans. A. Is cleaning. Uh, from that tenses, the answer is okay, friends. What the answer? Okay, the correct answer is A. Is cleaning. Because in that question, why did all the students leave? Next, uh, number two, quiz time. Oke, next ke quiz time yang terakhir. Number one, number two, sorry, number two. Listen, someone blank blank at the door. A knocks, B is knocking, C knock it, D are knocking. Hey, here I have prepared the second quiz for my friend. A segment, please understand and study. The question that I have a t-shirt. I will give you 2 minutes. Alright, friends. Have you found what is minute B by the question? Uh, the answer is A. Knox. Uh, Maybe to her I explained about the four basic tenses, namely simple past tense and simple past tense, simple present tense, and continuous and passive voice. More, more or less, I apologize if there are any wrong words spoken, and for your attention, I say thank you very much. Finally, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nice to meet you.